What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be showing you around the Thermaltake booth all of the in-house custom water-cooled PCs that were on display will be in this video, and of course we have some new water cooling gear, new cases, new fittings, and just things in general which are new, which I also want to highlight in this video for you guys to check out. Now, we have just arrived home. We have had zero sleep for about 28 hours, so I'll do my best to narrate over this whole video, but guys, if I do stuff up, please do forgive me. Now, one big thing that I do want to highlight in this video is at Computex, the whole scene seemed to be towards RGB and tempered glass. So a lot of the cases have been repurposed to fit tempered glass panels. So you'll see that most of the old Thermaltake cases now have a tempered glass version. Now, what this means for me is I have to deal with a lot of glare while trying to film this. So hopefully I can invest in a polarizing filter for you guys for future content. That'll help reduce the glare, so I do apologize in advance. Hopefully you guys do enjoy these water-cooled builds. I know I enjoyed seeing them and filming them. And you can see that a lot of the cable sleeving inside is also RGB in color. One big highlight that Thermaltake did want to provide for the community in Computex is their ring fans. These things looked absolutely amazing over the past week, featuring in all of the builds and of course on the wall. We also had this Core P7 build which was done up, and you can see on the side of the radiator there they have built-in RGB strips. These new radiators will be brought to the market, and Thermaltake are also going to be releasing some copper radiators, which is very exciting for the liquid cooling market because copper radiators are known to be the best quality, especially with most of the water blocks being copper as well. So it's a great way to not mix and match metals throughout your water cooling loop. They had this middle table set up with a lot of Core P3s, Core P5s on display with some nice water cooling loops, and their new flow meter fittings which looked really nice on display as well. They had some of their RGB fittings lighting up the liquid, as you can see in this case here, with the tempered glass bending right around to create one solid panel. This whole middle section was there to test out the new chairs, look at the new PCs and the hardware inside, while enjoying one of the latest games such as Overwatch. We have a bit of modding done here on the tempered glass window, trying to create that NVIDIA theme throughout the whole build. It was very nice to see more vertical GPU mounting, so we could actually see the front face of the GPU being displayed inside the build. This is one thing that Thermaltake are really good at with their cases. We have a green Core P5 with the pink liquid highlighting that RGB power supply fan. And of course we also had their wall setup of fans being controlled by the software, and I believe this is 80 fans which are on the wall. This Core P3 was showcasing their new black opaque liquid. It looks really nice. I actually used this in my Pirates of the Caribbean build and it contrasts nicely with the white case. We also had another Core P5 sitting down below there for people to enjoy some gameplay on. Here's some of their new cases, the tempered glass edition being put on display out the front of the booth. Some nice water-cooled builds in some of these, and also some AIO-cooled builds, but the great feature about these is they were able to show off their ring fans and RGB features a lot more with all of the tempered glass panels. This is their new View 71TG. And of course, our last one is the View 91 TG to show off for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be releasing a lot more content for you guys. I went crazy with the filming, so I'm hoping you are all enjoying. Please leave a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you all in the next one.